So today we're going to look at how to install or input a YouTube video into your real estate blog post or any type of post that you have in a WordPress website online. And so I have a WordPress website that's focused on Long Beach real estate for sale and a few other coastal cities. And I made this video right here. It's a short, it only lasts about a minute. For Long Beach, CA condos with balconies. I'm kind of looking for one that I took a listing in this particular building that we're adding this video to that blog post. I haven't found it yet. So I made this video here. It's 1 minute long, according to this here. This over here is TubeBuddy. I'm not an affiliate marketer for them as of today. Unless they want to endorse me, that'd be great. It's kind of got some good stats, so you might want to look into that. So I went into my WordPress website. I have a custom post type for condominiums. So this has all the condominiums in Long Beach and Huntington Beach and many other beach cities when it's available. I have communities that would be neighborhoods. And there are some other things I experiment with. So here I have this page here for Aqua Tower condos. They're located in downtown Long Beach. So I put an introductory tag here, put some information here. And then I have a call to action form here, which is below the listings, testing everything to see what works best. Then a little summary of the condos, and then frequently asked questions. And then this whole widget here comes from Rank Math, which is an SEO plugin. It's similar to Yoast, but I dumped Yoast years ago because it gets expensive when I have multiple sites running, or I'm working on a client to build up their website and they want an SEO tool to use when they do some writing. And so what I've done is I got a Rank Math account that allows me to put Rank Math on their website so they don't have to pay the extra money. So it does a grading system. So we'll show you that briefly here. So I'm gonna hit the green bar here and I'm optimizing for Aqua Towers throughout the entire custom post type here, and it gives me a score between 87 to 100. Not every page I do is 100 out of 100. It is possible. I may have one or two pages like that. And then this page over here is kind of like an AI tool that they have now, and it's measuring it against the search engines. So I try to get both of them, but sometimes it's a little bit lower. I don't worry too much about that. And it has some other bells and whistles, but today we're not going to focus on Rank Math. I am not an affiliate marketer for them. That would be great. If they want to endorse the website or send money, that would be great. Let's go down here, and this is what I'm just focused on one thing here. A friend of mine was asking me about this. So I have a video about Long Beach condos with balconies. The most likely video for Aqua Towers would be something about Aqua Towers. I do have a video about that, but I haven't found it on the YouTube channel right now. So I went ahead and put a heading in here of an H5 tag. Could make it an H2 tag. The reason I'm not doing that is when I go over to the AI content tool of Rank Math Pro, they have a little heading section. This is my favorite section of the tool. When I click on headings, it tells me how many H2 tags to have because I'm competing against a lot of other realtors and big companies like Zillow and Realtor.com, and it's measuring content based on how many outline tags or heading tags it has. So H2 tags, H3, and that's how it's all broken down. So I can figure out what to use in it. Gives me some other ideas of what keywords should be in it. I only focused on this one here. It does a whole bunch of other things, but I'm going to do a video so I can show a friend of mine how to do one aspect of Rank Math that's unbelievable. So here we're going to go to the next page here. I'm going to go on the plus sign. I'm going to look for YouTube. I'm running WordPress. I build websites for some of my clients and friends. So this is the video here that I'm going to put in there because all the condos at Aqua have balconies. Not a perfect video for that page, but it's the one I'm putting in today. So we're going to put that in here. All I did was go to YouTube, To get this code, all I did was click on share, copy, go back to the page, and then I pasted it right in. And I click embed. So I'm just going to use whatever YouTube has as dimensions for the video. I could edit those if I wanted to. I could add more content up and down. I will add a little more content after this video below this headline. And then over here, I click back on this one here of Rank Math. So I have the general where I have the title and the description. This is my keyword target. And it's giving me a rating score, so it's kind of basically like college or high school. I guess college would be better. So I got 8700, doing pretty good. Not a full 90 yet or 100. I hit advanced. I want it to be indexed into Google. I'm going to click on this one here. This is the schema section. And it's put 2 videos here, so I'm going to click on one to get rid of that because I only have 1 video on the page. If I hit article, which is what you should, every single page should be an article, and have this section here comes disabled. Enable speakable. So most people are speaking into their phone for search. You don't need keywords. I'm just testing something. I do a lot of testing to find out what works best. So I put some keywords in here, but Google, Yahoo, and Bing don't use them anymore. I'm just living on the edge, so I test everything out to see what works best. This would be an article. It could be a news article, but I'm going to leave it as an article. Hit save for the post. Then I have video. So I just added this video in here. Here's the YouTube channel. Had to practice a little earlier. And right here is some content. This should be more about for Aqua. Let's go over to the Aqua page here. We'll digress here. Let me just go and copy the first sentence here. Boom. I don't know why I say boom, but that's my thing today. So I'll just paste in a description, but you can use the general description in Rank Math in the first little icon, but we'll just put it in there for this section. What day it's being published. Now I did this in the balcony one. I did it on, looks like February 15th, 2023. And put in where it was coming from, and I gave it I really don't even need to do this, but there was a height and a width, and then I'm going to give it a scale rating of a 5. I'm going to save for this post, and now I've got schema. That's information that Google's algorithm will read and index your video and your page better. So I hit update, and that's how you add YouTube into your blog post. Now, sometimes it works quickly, sometimes it doesn't. What it looks like, we'll open a page here, and here's the condo page here. So I'll update in a second. It's a little table I put in here for floor plans. These are the properties currently listed for sale. A call to action right here. This is a whole breakdown of the condo summary of the building. Frequently asked questions, numbered. Photos of Aqua condos. A little gallery down here. Then there's a picture. They have a Grand Prix that goes around the buildings, and then these are little web stories. I'll talk about those another day. Then it's the month of December, so the Long Beach New Year's Eve events, I've got a blog post on that. Then here's our video down here. So it's just one way of adding more value to the page, and that's how you add a video.